It's Miss Nichols. So I'm going to show you guys the first step in your process of designing mandalas. Okay, so you want your graph paper, a pencil, and your circle template, which I have passed out to you. You'll also need one marker in whatever color you prefer. Doesn't really matter. So first, you're going to take your template, put it down on your paper, trace around it with your pencil. Then you want to take your ruler and you want to lay it down into the center of your circle. So when you do this, you get your first line of symmetry. And this is vertically. Now you want to put in your second line of symmetry, which will be horizontal. Alright, now we're going to do another line from left to right, going downward. And then we're going to do another one from right to left, going downward. Okay? So ideally, your circle should be split into 8 wedges, kind of like a pizza. Alright, so now that you have this, you need to decide whether or not you want to include these lines into your design or if you want to add more lines. For the sake of this demo, I'm not going to use these lines, and I'm going to use my marker to, well actually, start with your pencil, not your marker, because you want to draw what you want first here, make sure it's really what you want, and then you're going to use your marker to confirm your final design. Alright? So I'm just going to start designing, and I'll get back to you when I'm done. Okay? I'm back. I have my design done. It's not the best design because I just wanted to do this quickly to show you guys. Of course, yours will be a lot better than mine. Now that I like my design, which I'll hold up for you guys to see. There you go. Now I'm going to take my marker and trace over the design. I'm back. I have finished tracing my design. So I want to show you a comparison between these two. So this is another one that I made previously. Oh, so on this side, you can see that I use the lines just as a guiding to get my design going. But on this side, I included the lines into my design. You can do either one, whichever that you prefer. This one looks pretty cool, as does this one. You can even add more to this one. So I'm going to just add some circles really quickly around the outside edges so you guys can really see how they look. Another thing that I want to highlight, which I'm going to use this one for, is your design. See here that in every wedge, whatever I did in this wedge, I do in all the wedges. So here I drew this little petal shape, and then I drew the straight line, a diamond, and 2 circles. You want to do this in every single wedge. This is what's going to give you your radial design. The best way to start your design is to start in the very middle and work your way out, okay? Once you're done with that, you'll have a beautiful radial design. Alright, and then here, you can't really see because my lines are in pencil compared to the marker, but also it radiates from the center. So you have your center point, which can really be any shape. I chose a circle for this one because I just thought it was a little bit easier for me to know that that's the central point. So whichever you feel comfortable with, you can do. Then I used these ovals. I did 2 sets of lines, and then I did some more circles around the outside. You could easily do stars or hearts. Hearts are fine as well. Diamonds, triangles, whichever shape you want to use. You can also alternate this line. You can make it wavy instead of pointed like mine. You can do whatever you really like, okay? And once you have this done, once you have your design done, whichever way that you want to do it, you're ready to move on to step 2. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.